South Jersey, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We haven't seen a lot of coastal flooding this winter, but we will get it as we go into tomorrow. A coastal flood advisory is in effect for all of the shore counties here in just offshore. We have a gale warning in effect. Now, we are anticipating minor flood stage for the Saturday morning high tide, which will peak between 5 to 7 a.m. Move your cars a block or two. I am anticipating Black Horse Pike, White Horse Pike, Shore Road and Absecon, as well as some of the bridges connecting the mainland to the shore to see some kind of water, especially as you're getting onto the bridge. And I'm thinking of like Route 72 over in Long Beach Island going to Manahawkin as an example. Now, as we go into Sunday, Cape May and Atlantic counties still look to get into minor flood stage, but barely into minor flood stage. I think you would only see it for about an hour and two in terms of any coastal flooding impacts from that on Sunday morning. Now, we do have a pair of systems that will turn into one. We have a Clipper system over in upstate New York and our coastal storm. What's going to happen is this Clipper system moves right in. You're already starting to see that as all these clouds and what is snow showers are pushing eastward. But I want you to pay attention to something too. Look at all of these clouds that are moving into New Jersey. They're kind of bubbling up as they come into the area. Well, that's a sign of strengthening. And this low pressure system that is offshore will bomb out and become very intense. A bomb cyclone is when you see a large increase, or I should say decrease in pressure in a short amount of time. And as a result, we are seeing the coastal flooding and some winds from it. But it is going to be far enough offshore where it's not going to be a dangerous situation for us. We do see rain as we go into the afternoon and into the evening hours. Rain will stay pretty consistent. Then as we get into the overnight hours, yes, we could actually see a change over to snow in a couple of places if you even see any precipitation. Notice how scattered it is for 1 a.m. on Saturday, and I think by 1 a.m. on Saturday, we are going to be dry here. But pay attention to Cape Cod here. They can get a very strong snowstorm for a couple of hours as we go into our Saturday morning. They're looking to pick up 2 to 4 inches of snow out on Cape Cod. No snow for us. Temperatures in the mid-40s for this afternoon. What you see so far today is what you'll get for the rest of our daytime hours. Now, the only thing is if you're north of Route 30, there is some slowdown in terms of the rain progressing into that area. So you could actually be dry for portions of the afternoon. Still, daytime planner is not looking great for any outdoor activities today. We will have plenty of dry time as we go into the weekend. For tonight, rain during the evening, so bring the umbrellas and the rain gear heading out. Although if you're staying out all night long, you might not need that rain gear. Temperatures will be 32 on the mainland, 37 at the shore. Again, may end as non-sticking snow in a couple of places. Then as we go into Saturday, we're in the mid-40s. We do have a stiff breeze, but then it will calm down for the afternoon. Sunday is looking great here, mid-50s in Stafford, upper 40s in Long Beach. We're actually going to have a sea breeze front set up, a sign of warmer weather to come when we get those sea breeze fronts that come through. So 62 in Folsom, 51 in Atlantic City. It's going to be a seasonable to above average day all around. We got 60s all around in Cumberland County. Our mainland 7-day forecast shows as we get you into Monday, 69 degrees. How about that for a high temperature? And I do think a couple of places have a good shot of getting to 70. However, sea breeze front sets up again. As a result, the shore much cooler. And I think most of Cape May County will probably be in the 50s as well. Still a nice day, especially with the sunshine. Tuesday and Wednesday, a pair of systems comes through. Neither look to bring a heck of a whole lot of rain, but it is going to be in our forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. And as we get to the end of the week, we'll look to have another cool down. Coming up on Sunday, if you are free, you can come on by for Tidal Flooding Talk. That's going to be at 7 p.m. at the Irish Pub. Dan Skeldon, Pamela Cardi, and I will be chatting weather. We'll be talking about the big weather conference I was at in Boston, and you can all find that through our Facebook live channels, both mine and the press's. And here is my Facebook, Joe MartWX. Instagram is Joe MartWX as well. Twitter, AC Press Martucci, and our website, thepressafac.com/weather.